can even program certain things and so on. So you can see that there is a lot of improvement, production of the sound there is true. Thirdly, at that time, you don't have people like you, the directors, the music director, producers. You don't have that. It's just one man effort, like I'm still doing. I compose my song, write the bass line, write, arrange, write my lyrics, vocal, conduct the band, everything is Osadebe. But now, when I'm recording, like what we have done now, I focus my attention on what I am doing. The dancers are behind me. If somebody is directing them, I have to contribute my own idea to that. You are now directing what they are doing. The cameraman is so it's divided labor, unlike what we had that time. So that's the difference. And financial aspect of it. Music is more lucrative now than what it was then, and more enticing. The younger musicians now, they learn very fast and very well. They learn very fast and they learn very well. If he wants to play guitar, he plays guitar to the cure. If he wants to play guitar bass, he learns it. He wants to play drum, whatever they want to learn, they learn. But they have a problem.
Inakwaje kama yana na umono okungwali boy katienti iluzie bulwa onyome bezi nani go okungwali boy katienti jebo iluzie wolo nana mwanne mebe onyome bezi nani go Ogazi amaka wajina gombo Ogazi amaka wajina Osilio nyama Mkengenyi tune Ekeke na lojika isagalo Ajia shakata na mulu Sadebeno Ajia sadebe Bedeno Hasadebe na ya mulu Obia muze no sinimo sadebe mo namo na Mwane bene namo Ojeli go bwevi nende Ojeli go bijwa mwane bene namo Mwane mabazina ebezina onye mebezi na nivo wadadeni ọgazi amaka wejina agamo ọgazi amaka wejina nwanne mebe nebe nebe onye mebezi na nivo wadadeni
Like you said, you don't understand. People think I'm a spiritual man. In the first place, I am not a soothsayer. I am not a pastor. I am not a reverend. So I don't know what that spirituality comes into it. But what I know is that I believe in God. And maybe what I say in my music, people see me as a prophet. You see, and I tell you that is an instinct from God. And I tell you honestly, people see me as somebody who has something to do with occultism or something like that. No, I am just the way you see me. I am a Christian. I go to church. Christianity doesn't mean when you sleep in the church. We have traditional religion is Christianity. Heathenism is Christianity. Hinduism is Christianity. Mohammedanism is Christianity. It's all the same God we are afraid. So the other way people look at me, that's not me. I'm just like any other human being. But what they see is that they see me, I start knowing that people, they see me as somebody like as old as Nebuchadnezzar. And when they see me now, they don't believe that this is a